Hi folks, Mike Whittam again here at Showcase Mitsubishi in Bay City, Michigan, here to introduce you this Mirage. It's a hatchback and it is an ES. ES, it means extra special. No, that's just my twist. But anyway, this is nicely designed. This grille, honeycomb looking with the triad of Mitsubishi sitting in the middle. It kind of makes you think of like the seal of cars. It's kind of like the triad. We like that kind of feature on there, the emblem. It stands out as an aggressive looking vehicle, although it is the most economical vehicle gas-wise registered right now here in America. Also the headlights, huge headlight beams, you know, be able to see, illuminate. Coming down the side, you got these 14-inch steel wheels guarding the symbiotic system of the braking system. Force brake distribution is on here, the anti-lock braking system. Also the hill, if you're sitting on a hill, I can't think of what it's called right now, but if you let off the brake to go push on the gas, it will not allow you to go backwards even though you're at the top of a hill. It has this indicator here so that people on the sidewalk will be in oncoming traffic will be able to see that you're turning on either side. These breakaway mirrors so that if you're going through the car wash, you're not going to have to replace a mirror because it's going to break away for you. The streamlines that come all the way back to where this fin is kind of gives it an appeal that doesn't come standard on a lot of standard cars. This is kind of a nice accent. When you get over to the back here, I promised I would never call this wiper a windshield wiper blade ever again because it's not the windshield. This is the rear wiper blade standard. All this stuff that I'm pointing out is standard equipment. Also too, you'll see this rear camera so that it's standard equipment now for these standard cars to be able to back up and be able to see where you're going so you don't run over anything you shouldn't run over. Opens up easily to show you where the spare tire would be found. But with the roadside assistance for 10-year, 100,000 miles, you should never have to change your own tire. But if you're in a place where you feel you must, it's there. Also, too, the ability to turn this into a place where you'll be able to put a lot of stuff in. You can take a look. That other seat folds down as well, so you can have all that cargo space. And you saw how easy it was to knock that down. I'm going to shut this, and push this back up. So how easy it gets back into place with just a couple slams. Inside the vehicle, in the cockpit, just wanted to see how easy it was to enter and egress. This seat over here has a raise and lower for the driver's comfort. It also tilts back and forth, goes forward and backward. Also, what's standard now too is this media center. It's not so much like it used to be. I'm going to turn this on for you just so you can see how easy it is to find what you might be looking for. This home page here will give you the settings, the AM, the FM, you can iPod, you can Bluetooth, and your phone. Now once you got your phone dialed in, your phone controls are over here on your steering wheel. Right above your phone controls is your radio controls. So once you get everything dialed in, you really never have to reach to take your eyes off the road to change your radio stations or whatever. That rear wiper I was telling you about, right here, this very end piece right here, you just switch that and it'll turn on. And then for your front wipers, this lever is the one you want to use. You pull it down to get it turned on to intermittent or low or high. But if you just have a little mist, you just push the whole knob up and it'll wipe away the mist for you. Your headlight over on the other side, you're not going to be able to see it from here, but you can also turn off the anti-sway, you know, the spinny tire thing, you know, like in the wintertime, if you like it engages back and forth to keep you from sliding, you can turn that off. I don't know why you'd ever want to do that, but it gives you the ability to do so should you choose. Also your heat, or air conditioning controls all right there. It is an automatic, so these cars, fun in the wintertime. You take them to a parking lot and you put it in reverse and you go really fast, and then you put it in neutral, hit the brake and pull this power brake right here, and you'll spin around and around. Kind of like did that with snowmobiles. I don't think you're really supposed to do that with cars, but you could. Not like I've done it before, but I might have. Anyway, just so you know what you get for standard equipment on this Mirage ES hatchback. Any other information you'd like, please call us here at Showcase Mitsubishi. Our number here is 989-684-0500, or come and see us here on 1242 South Euclid, Bay City.